Hey there. Frustrated because clicking sign in on the Google Play Store on your TV just isn't working? In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to fix clicking sign in Google Play Store on TV but not working. Let's get you back on track so you can enjoy all your favorite apps and games. Step 1. Restart your TV and internet connection. First things first, let's try restarting both your TV and your internet connection. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the power source, and leave it for about 60 seconds. During this time, also restart your router or modem. Reconnect everything, try signing in again. This simple step can often resolve temporary glitches or connectivity. Step 2. Update your TV software. Outdated software can cause sign-in issues on your TV. To fix this, navigate to your TV's settings menu. Look for the System or Software Update option and check for any available updates. If there's an update, make sure to install it and restart your TV after. Updated firmware might resolve any incompatibility that prevents the Google Play Store from functioning properly. Step 3. Clear cache and data of Google Play Store. Next, we'll tackle the app itself. Access the settings on your TV and find the Applications or Apps section. Locate the Google Play Store in the list, then select the option to clear cache and data. This step helps remove any corrupted temporary files that might be causing the sign-in problem. After clearing, try signing in again. Step 4. Check date and time setting. Having incorrect date and time settings can mess with your connection to Google servers. Ensure that your TV's date and time are set correctly. You can usually find this option in the settings menu under date and time. Opt for automatic date and time settings if available to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Remove and re-add your Google account. If the sign-in issue persists, removing and re-adding your Google account might do the trick. In the settings menu, navigate to Accounts, select your Google account, and choose Remove Account. Once removed, restart your TV, go back to the Accounts section, and add your Google account again. This refreshes your account's connection to the Play. I hope these steps help you fix clicking sign in Google Play Store on TV but not working effectively. Remember, start with simple solutions like restarting your devices and proceed to more involved steps like updating software and managing accounts. By following these steps, you can overcome these pesky sign-in issues and get back to enjoying seamless access to your apps. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.